Everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Erica, and today I have an AliExpress haul. I'm gonna open it. It is my doll. This is what the packaging looks like. This side's gonna be covered. Look at him. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it and see how fragile it is. Anyways, it's like in a pod. Kind of reminds me of Superman. I like this. Okay, I wasn't very sure about the packaging. And okay, here's the baby. I have to paint it and stuff and put it all together. But I'm gonna see. Oh, so cute. No eyeballs yet. I'm gonna go ahead and open it and show you what's all inside. Aww. Okay, here's the head. Oh my god, it's so soft, like a baby. And then here's the little hands. See, if Kyle would just give me a real baby, I wouldn't need to buy a fake baby. Now would I, Kyle? Yeah, that's what I thought. And then here's the little toes. Ew, really? Seriously, men these days. Okay, and here's these little toes. And then they gave me 6 zip ties. And these little eyeballs. They're kind of cartoony looking, but they're really cute. And then the body, which I need to go deal with the fluffing and stuff like that. But I need to paint her because she doesn't look real yet. But she is so cute. Oh my goodness. And she's going to need a name, and her head is really heavy. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. So if you were curious where I got the kit, I got it off AliExpress. This is the price. I really do like the packaging. I was really scared because I was like, oh my god, they just put it in a bag, what the hell? And then I see that pod of bubble wrap and I was like, oh wow. So it actually came in really good condition. It's so soft, like velvet. It's so beautiful. I can't wait to paint her. I don't know when I'm gonna get to do that because I'm afraid to mess her up because I've never done reborns before. So this will be interesting, and I know there's like a lot of baking and different products to use and stuff like that, but I'm gonna bring you on the journey of it. So yeah, and it is weird because I don't know how I'm supposed to put her eyes in. I think you have to cut the eye sockets. I don't know, I'm scared, but she is really cute, and that is where I got her. Thank you all for watching.